again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. I'm just going to put some hand cream on. My hands are so dry. This is cold weather, isn't it? This is cold weather. So sorry if you can hear the hoover and stuff going off in the background. My partner is rather ignorant. Waits for me to start recording and then decides he wants to hoover up. Does anybody want a partner? There's one going free. In fact, no, he's not free at all. I'll pay you. Come and get him. Right, something exciting. I have got a new friend. And when I've got friends coming over, I always make myself a cup of tea. New friend. Thank you. So what we got? Guys, I have got a new practice hand. I have wanted a full 5-finger hand for ages. I've got my little 4-finger one, let me show you. I've got a few little hands actually, but the ones that I use, I've got my fingers, they're all loose in the drawer, I can't be bothered finding them. Ba-doing, ba-doing, ba-doing. Got my fingers from Flex Finger, first practice hand I ever got. I love it, I still use it quite often. And I've got my little 4-finger hand from Ready Go On. This is the one I work on most often. It's got a little split there. That was a bubble, and when I first got it, it was a bubble, and bubbles are empty, they're full of air. And I told her, I messaged them and said, there's a bubble right on the cuticle and it's gonna rip. And they said, all our hands have small little flaws. And I thought, that's not a flaw, it's gonna rip, and would you believe it, it ripped. Anyway, I still love it, love it, love it, love it. Regardless, I love my little Ready Go On hand, but I wanted one for pictures. I want to up my game on my Instagram pictures, and I needed a 5-finger hand. I want to start posing my hands like this with all fluff and fancy stuff, like all the big people do. And my little 4-finger hand, it doesn't look right when I pose it how I want to pose it. It needs to be a 5-finger one, longer. So I got one. And let me tell you guys, I am over the moon with this. So, these are currently, please check the description box. If it's changed, I will update it. But as I'm filming this, these are buy one, get one free. So if you've got any friends that's after a hand as well, go halves, get one each and get them dirt cheap. Because these are the best ones they've done yet. I said this last year when they first started doing these practice hands on AliExpress, by the way. They're going to keep tweaking them and tweaking them and tweaking them. And let me tell you, this is a good one. Right, so it comes with some little tips first. Never seen tips like this, actually. I've got tips like this, but short. I've never seen this shape like this. So they are long, ballerina. Oh, ballerina. I wouldn't mind some of them, they'd be perfect for practice hand. So it comes with them, and it comes with a little ring. This ring is stretchable as well. Oh my gosh, that's sparkly, isn't it? So yeah, that's stretchable, so it can go on any finger. Should we stick it on mine for now? Very sparkly. So it comes with that. No, I don't like. Right, so shall we just get it out? Right, so as you can see, it comes in this box, and then it comes in this little bag. So this is available in right and left. I got, for a change, I always get left hands, and I got a right hand this time. Guys, are you ready? I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the palm. Guys, isn't it good? Look at this. And it's poseable. Look, obviously I got it because I want to pose. I want to pose my hands. They bend right down to where I'm going to want them. See, I want to start posing my hands like this, with the fingers right down like this. I want to start posing them like that. But my little 4-finger one, it just doesn't look right. And I saw this and I thought, that looks good. And it is. I am well impressed with it. And it is, as I'm recording this, buy one, get one free. So if you've got any friends and you can go halves, pay half each, you're going to get a full hand. So cheap. Look at it. I'm well impressed. Look at all the little paws and everything. It's a nice colour. Yeah, it's a nice colour. I really like it. Isn't it nice? And it's not big either. It's not big. If you look, my hands are really small. And it's like, look. Can you see? It's not big either. I love it. Right, shall we put some tips in? See what size tips they take. So let's start with pinky. No, it's going to be too small, too big. Oh no, I don't like these tips. Right, I'm going to use my own tips. So these are the tips that I use. I use Glitter Planet's Flexi tips. These are made for practice hands. Well, I don't think they're made for practice hands, but that's what everybody uses them for. And I always put them in backwards like that. And I use these to act as natural nail bed. So I'll glue tips onto these. See how far in they go? They go right in and they're so tight. Once that's in, guys, you can't get it out. You cannot get them out. So this is going to be brilliant for filing on. Super tight. Yeah, so I would glue tips onto these now and build extensions. You can file on them, buff on them. They are so tight. I can't even get it in. They are that tight. Really, really tight cuticles. Really impressed with it. And the cuticles are thick. Look how thick they are. So yeah, I am over the moon with this. I am really, really happy with it. But you're not going to see it much because I'm saving this just for my pictures. So you're not going to see it much. I might use it in my next video just for the hell of it. But yeah, I love it. I'm really, really happy with it. Really like it. I like it a lot, actually. I can't get over the detail on it. Look at all the little paws. Can you see? It's like, it's definitely somebody's real hand, isn't it? That's not been made by hand. That's definitely a mould of somebody's hand for sure, isn't it? I really like it. I'm well impressed. Let me know what you think, guys. I will leave the direct link for this in my description box. I wouldn't advise going looking for it because there's so many listings that will show one hand and when it turns up it's a different hand. I would advise clicking on the link below to this exact hand because yeah, I've had quite a few people that have bought what they thought was the hand I was using and it turned up and it's not. So yeah, well impressed with it. I am. I don't know what else to say about it. I think I've covered everything, haven't I? If anyone's got any questions that I've missed, let me know and I'll answer them. But I love it. Best one yet by far, isn't it? Best one yet. But yeah, just a quickie, guys, to show you my new friend. Needs a name. I have never ever give any of my practice hands a name, and I've had quite a few. So this one deserves a name, doesn't it? Let me know what you think, guys. Someone come up with a name. But yeah, that's it. I'll leave everything in the description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.